All right, so this is question number 2, 11.4, homework day 2. A couple different questions, and it's about just interpreting this diagram. So the first one is a probability a female is left-handed. That means we're only looking at the females here. And so if 90% are right-handed, 10% must be left-handed. So our answer here would be 10%, um, or maybe like that. I'm not sure. As percent rounded to the nearest whole number, I would probably just enter 10 here, I guess, would probably be what I would write there. Okay, and notice that this is actually kind of a given that probability. It's a probability that they're left-handed given that they're female. So if you wanted to do it more traditionally, like a given that probability, I'm going to fill in these other probabilities quick. This is 33, this is 67, this would be then 83%. Okay, so you can find all these dots, right, by just multiplying down the paths. So like this path is 17% times 33%, 17 times 67, 83 times 10. That one I actually know. I just shift the decimal over one. Then 83% times 90%. Again, I'm going to use a calculator quick. Okay, so I filled them all in. So if you wanted to do this one as a given that, it would probably be this part A again, just done a different way. So probability that a female is left-handed. So it's basically given that you're a female, what are the chances you're left-handed? So the bottom would be all the females. So that would be the two dots down here added together. And then out of those females, which ones are left-handed? That would be this number. Okay, and if you do that calculation, I would add these first and then divide. You should get 10%. That'd be an alternate way to get 10% there. All right, let's look at part B quick. So part B says probability male and right-handed. So male and right-handed is just following one of the branches down. So males are here, all right? I don't know why I can't write. Oh, because I'm on the eraser, that's why. All right, so the male is here, and then right-handed is here. So the chances of male and right-handed, you multiply those two together, right? That's generally how you do an and. So you just multiply those together, and that's your answer. So it would look like that, or if you wrote it as a percent, it'd be 11.39%. Okay, I think that's it. Hopefully that helps with that question. Have a good day.